नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ नॅचरोपॅथी आणि रिजनल आउटरीच ब्युरो महाराष्ट्र आणि गोंय हांच्या जोड पालवान गोंयान मेगा नॅचरोपॅथी शिबिराचें आयोजन केलां. 30 सप्टेंबर ते 2 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन पणजेन कला अकादमी वाठारांत हे शिबीर चलतलें, अशी माहिती नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ नॅचरोपॅथीची संचालक के. सत्यलक्ष्मीन पणजेन घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत दिल्या. लोकांनी ह्या शिबिराचो लाभ घेवचो अशें तांणी कळयलां.
The idea is 150 years of Mahatma Gandhi is reverberating across the country, if not the other places in the world. And part of it, we as naturopaths, we carry the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi's connection with naturopathy is known to few people who have tried to understand Mahatma Gandhi in depth. But general people, ordinary people would know Gandhi only as a freedom fighter, or Gandhi is connected with non-violence and truth and peace, maybe. But naturopathy, not many people know. So we take this opportunity, and we are very happy to share it with you that Ayush Ministry has taken a step in this direction to popularize Mahatma Gandhi through this concept of self-reliance through self-health reliance. What is this self-reliance and self-health reliance? Mahatma Gandhi felt that so long as you depend on doctors, drugs and hospitals for your health needs, you are a dependent, you are a slave. This freedom is of no meaning. So this was his understanding. And then what to do? What to do? You have to look within. You have to look for resources from within. And he firmly believed, after umpteen number of experiments that he has done on himself, on his friends, family members, kith and kin, and all his followers, he has come to believe that naturopathy works in out of 1,000 diseases, 999 diseases can be handled because they are self-limiting. I mean, they get cured all by themselves. Remaining needs little bit of attention, and naturopathy will be sufficient in most of the cases. So while forgetting our responsibility to take care of our health, we are running quickly to medicines, drugs and hospitals. That is to tell that we are going away from our responsibility. We are not taking responsibility to ourselves. That comes by one is introspection, the other is exercising restraint.
As part of these celebrations, the Ministry of Ayush, the Union Ministry of Ayush, is organizing 150 mega naturopathy camps across the country beginning 30th September. And the first of this mega naturopathy camp is going to be organized in Goa by the National Institute of Naturopathy Pune in association with the Regional Outreach Bureau Pune at Kala Academy beginning 30th September. And the theme of this camp is going to be self-reliance through self-health. Goa, as you know, is a small state, a touristy state. So I would say, as a Goan, that Goa is very fortunate to be one of the venues of these mega naturopathy camps, because though Goa is very high on some of the economic indices, like per capita income, Goa is facing a plethora of health problems. Though it has a chain of highly specialized public and private hospitals, the Goan population is suffering from various lifestyle diseases like hypertension, diabetes, cancer, and kidney problems. And to top it all, Goa has the highest amount of per capita vehicles in the country. And this is reflected in obesity among the population, especially among the children. So we hope that this mega naturopathy camp will be a boon to the people of Goa and help them to achieve Mahatma Gandhi one of Mahatma Gandhi's ideals of self-reliance through self-help, through self-health reliance.